Morning. Up early again this morning and heading out. Part 2. The tree surgeon unfortunately finished getting the tree down yesterday, but he didn't manage to chop everything up as much as he'd have liked to, so he's asked me to take my chainsaw. And there she is. So yeah, I'm gonna go see what the crack is and I'll show you when we get there. Well, okay, so I've got some chopping to do. There's some massive pieces here. Alright, got all of the small stuff shifted. We've got Noisy Betty going. Need to chop these big bits down now. We'll make a start on this. Okay, that's me all done. The next load is in the car and I'm ready to go. Good day all in all. Right, on to the next one. See you next time.